the first step, I think, and we have started some projects also. So we are looking forward your help, and we are looking forward for improvement. What is our company's benchmark? We want to reach that benchmark. So it was a great experience.
The training was according to that example. So we had a very good session, and after that we went with feedbacks to our managers that what we can implement, what we saw, that the robotics and everything, the setup, the line, what Pokayokis can be implemented. And since we are actually into the project of doing and improving more and implementing the exact Industry 4.0, so that was very beneficial for us. Secondly, how it started, like why was Industry 3.0, why was there a need and a transition for Industry 4.0, and how is now, how are the things going to change for Industry 5.0. So even that basic knowledge we got. So overall it was a very good session, and we are really hopeful to implement it in our organization.
We are very much looking, as you said, this is going to be a journey. It's not like it's a stop. So it's in the whole journey, you're going to have a lot of different stops. So Industry 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, we may change the descriptions, but the essence is again the same thing. Keep on learning. Yeah? The learning never stops. So I think that is one thing which your company is really good at, and imbibing on you to take as much as possible, and because that is something which will benefit the society. And let me tell you that ESG or sustainability is going to be very, very important in coming years. Yeah. So whatever the companies can do, I'll be really looking forward to see and support. And as you said, there is a huge amount of ideations as well as the experience which we have together. So anything that you really want, you're always welcome. And the family, as you said, has got very good connections. So our whole experience of putting plants all matter. So anything that you need, you're always welcome. Thank you very much.